In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily generate WhatsApp link to your profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we need to go to any browser, because unfortunately we can't generate WhatsApp link to our WhatsApp profile using WhatsApp app. So I'm just gonna open up Safari, and then we need to go to create.wa.link. This website allows us to generate WhatsApp links, so I'm just gonna scroll down for a bit, and here we need to tap at create free WA link. After that, right here, first off, we can tap at the flag icon to change our country. I'm just gonna switch it back to Russia, and right here we need to enter our phone number, just like that, and then we can tap at done and generate my WA link. After a couple of seconds the link has been generated. We can scroll down, and then we can tap at copy link to copy it to the clipboard. Also we can tap at download QR to download this image to our camera roll, or to our files, sorry, to our let me show you, at files, at downloads. Right here we can find the file we have just saved, and also we can enter the link or paste the link we have just copied, and if we hit go, and then we'll be redirected to our WhatsApp profile. That's how you can easily generate WhatsApp link.